Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Swaroop Nadella. In this today's video, we'll discuss about the string literal versus string object, and we'll write a small program around that concept today. So, what is string literal? So, if we, for example, if we are writing str equal to Swaroop, so this is called as string literal. So, this will be actually stored in the string constant pool memory location. Stored in string constant pool. If already the string is available in the string constant pool, it will not be created once again. It will directly refer to the particular memory location which is present in the string constant pool. And there is another way we can create the strings. So if like using the new keyword. So this is called as a string object because this will be this stored in the heap memory. And if we are using the string str1 equal to new string of in double quote Swaroop I am passing, so this will be stored in the heap memory. And even if something like this Swaroop is having already present in the string constant pool, it doesn't consider that. So it will be again creating a new memory location in the heap memory and then creating this object. So definitely the memory allocation is additional here. So the first step is a bit faster than the second step, because if the string is present in the string constant pool, then it will be retrieved quickly. And if the string is present or not present, doesn't matter, it will create a new string in case of string object. So using this concept, we'll write a small program now for string comparison. So let's take these two values. So I'm going to give the first one as s1 and second one as string s2. So what we'll do, we'll try to print the s1 double equal to s2. So what exactly it will do, s1 value and s2 value, the actual memory allocations will be checked here, that the address references are compared here. The values are not compared if you are passing the double equal to on the string variables. So I'm going to give another thing, s1 dot, there is an equals method in string class. So let's pass s2, and this will actually uh, compare the values what is present inside s1. If it is equal to s2, the values alone will be compared, but in case of equal to, it will compare the references. So we'll understand the difference when we are trying to run this program. So you see, right, the first print statement is giving false and second print statement is giving true. Why? Because the first string s1 is stored in the string constant pool, which is having some memory address, like suppose s1. And the second statement will create the memory in the string heap memory. So it will be stored in an memory location, for example s2. So these two, if we are comparing boolean value, so it is false. But if we are comparing the actual value which is present inside the strings, it is returning true, because the first string Swaroop and second string Swaroop, the value is same, but the memory addresses are different. So this is the basic program. So this is basic concepts in terms of strings. So if you like the video, please let me know in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.